In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add more widgets or rearrange your widgets in FxPro Edge. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you want to add any widget, go ahead and just click on this plus icon and go to any of the widgets that you wish. For instance, I would like to go ahead and add an item such as FX measures. I'll go ahead and just click on it and you can see FX measures has been added here. However, I want to rearrange and move these widgets so that I customize it to my liking. To rearrange or to move these widgets, just go ahead and move it wherever you want and this will be added. For instance, you can add the widget whenever you want. I want it to be here. You can just place it there. For instance, if I also want to move this widget here, I can just do the same. I'll just move it here and it will be added automatically. So you can move the widgets around and place them wherever you are to customize your FxPro Edge terminal. Should you want to remove any of the widgets that you have added, just go ahead and click on the X icon and it will be removed. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.